Welcome back to Burns Hustles, where we turn side hustle ideas into cash. At least I hope so. Welcome back to another video, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the pros and cons of being an Airbnb host. There are a lot of pros, but there are a few cons. I don't know, maybe I'll start with the cons. You may be contacted at any time by guests, so you kind of have to be on call. I encourage guests to message me so I don't get phone calls much, which is nice. But you've got to be checking your messages at Airbnb often. I don't host in-house, I host remotely, so that gives me a bit of privacy. I think if you host in-house, if you have guests coming into the house that you are living in, then it can get you can get burnt out, I think, after a while. Having guests all the time, you may need to take a break sometimes. Sometimes guests are messy, sometimes guests are rude. Things like that can happen. Sometimes accidents happen. We've had guests fall down the stairs and trying to make sure they're okay and finding a doctor for them if necessary, those kind of things. The pros, money. You can do pretty well at this business. If you're in a good location, you can make some money. You can meet lots of interesting people from all over the world. So yeah, I do host in person at times. I do meet guests at times, and it's interesting. And I've gone out with guests. I've had dinner with them. I've drank alcohol together with them and talked about their country and learned a lot and talked about my own country as well as Japan. It's a business that you can do anywhere, which is great. So you can be a digital nomad and have an Airbnb business going as you travel. If you have a good staff that you can rely on, or maybe just one good person that you can rely on who takes care of your house. What else? Yeah, just financial freedom, I guess. It's another way of making money. I love passive income, so it's really good for that. So yeah, those are some of the pros and cons I can think of at the top of my head. Yeah, what do you think? What are the pros and cons of being an Airbnb host? Maybe you can answer in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.